I'd like to take a few moments to use this opportunity to talk to you about the newly established North Wales Clinical Research Centre, which is based at Wrexham. The research centre boasts several new clinical research laboratories, which are all equipped with state-of-the-art laboratory equipment. We also have 3 clinical suites. The North Wales Clinical Research Centre is unique really in the fact that we're able to offer health board staff the opportunity to undertake clinical research, whether they're interested in laboratory-based research or non-laboratory research. But I think for me as well, what's unique about this is the fact that we're probably working closer than ever with our local higher education universities, namely Bangor University and of course Wrexham Glyndŵr University here. And I think as a whole, moving forward, this can only be a good thing for not only the Health Board, but both our universities in North Wales, because I sincerely hope that we can move this forward and that we can really establish the North Wales Clinical Research Centre as a centre of excellence for undertaking clinical research, which in turn will be an attraction, hopefully, for clinicians, nurses, scientists to come and work, and not only work within the Health Board, but live in North Wales as well. I think that would be fantastic.